Gardening enthusiasts often face the challenge of protecting their crops from unwanted visitors. These vegetable garden fence ideas offer practical solutions for keeping critters at bay. Effective fencing not only preserves your harvest, but also enhances the aesthetics of your garden. From sturdy wire mesh barriers to creative upcycling projects, there are countless ways to safeguard your vegetables. Each method comes with advantages, such as ease of installation or low maintenance. 1. Bamboo fencing. For a touch of natural elegance, consider bamboo fencing for your vegetable garden. Bamboo is durable and resilient and blends seamlessly into outdoor settings. Its height and strength keep animals at bay while allowing proper ventilation and sunlight. Bamboo fencing offers an eco-friendly option that's both practical and visually appealing. 2. Reed fencing. Reed fencing is a cost-effective and environmentally friendly option for enclosing your vegetable garden. Made from natural reeds, this fence offers moderate protection from pests and weather while adding an earthy, organic feel. Reed fencing is lightweight and easy to install, making it a convenient and sustainable choice. 3. Log roll borders. Log roll borders create a rustic and charming edge for your vegetable garden. These short, rounded wooden logs form a low barrier that defines garden spaces and keeps small animals out. They're easy to install and maintain, offering both functional and aesthetic benefits to enhance your garden area. 4. Wattle fencing. Wattle fencing uses woven branches or twigs to create a sturdy and natural barrier for your vegetable garden. It's a traditional design that adds a rustic charm while providing adequate protection from small animals. Wattle fences are eco-friendly and can be crafted from locally sourced materials, making them both sustainable and effective. 5. Pallet fences. Pallet fences repurpose wooden pallets into functional and attractive garden barriers. These fences are cost-effective and can be customized to fit your garden's layout. Pallet fences are easy to assemble, provide good airflow, and add a rustic DIY charm to your space, making them a practical and environmentally friendly choice. 6. Lattice fencing. Lattice fencing adds a decorative touch to your vegetable garden while serving practical purposes. It provides support for climbing plants, deters pests, and creates a defined growing space. Available in wood or plastic, lattice panels are easy to install and customize, making them an excellent choice for enhancing functionality and aesthetics. 7. Stone walls. Explore practical and stylish vegetable garden fencing ideas for optimal protection. Stone walls offer a sturdy and permanent fencing solution for your vegetable garden. These robust structures provide excellent protection against larger animals and harsh weather.